Hey everyone! If Reddit isn't working on your phone, you might be wondering whether Reddit is down for everyone or if the problem is only on your device. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. Open the Reddit app. If you see a message saying Reddit is having trouble loading, don't panic. First, let's check if Reddit is actually down. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Search for Reddit status. Open the official Reddit status website. If the website shows that all systems are operational, Reddit is working normally and the problem is likely on your device. Now go back to the Reddit app. Tap Home and refresh the page to see if it starts loading. If the problem continues, open your phone settings. Search for Reddit and open the app settings. Tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or posts. Now open the Google Play Store. Search for Reddit. If an update is available, install the latest version. Using an outdated version can sometimes cause loading problems. If Reddit still isn't working, uninstall the app and install it again. This can replace damaged app files and fix the issue. After reinstalling, sign into your account and Reddit should work normally again. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.